You mentioned that you want more Indonesian students in Russia, and I think it's an awesome opportunity. And but aside from the culture, can you please highlight some things on why should Indonesian students come study to Russia, and what major is popular there?
Well, so regarding what is the most interesting kind of science for Indonesians, so according to our preliminary assessment, they are more interested in economics, then foreign relations, medicine, and also study Russian language. Country. So, but so in general, we are open for quite many. So it's many fields of science that would be open for Indonesian youth, and we also are looking for interest of some Indonesian agencies and ministries too. Because, for example, when we have heard that, for example, BRIN or Ministry of Energy of Indonesia are interested in people who can study nuclear science. So it's also possible, and we have a separate quota for these people. And if we will have more people who are interested in this field, so we are ready and to send them to Russian universities who have big experience in this field. But so I really believe so, because we already talked to some alumni from Russian universities, and I'm very glad that here in Indonesia we have several communities of alumni from Russian universities, like Paruski, like Cooper Indo, and some other besides Friendship Society. And it's really, I'm very glad to see that all of them have a very good memories about their studies in Russia. They have very good impression about life in my country. And in general, all those Indonesians who visited my country, even for a short time, even for 1 or 2 weeks, they told me that after this visit, their impression about my country, their thoughts about my country completely changed. So it's not something dangerous for life or something, but it's really very good cities, very good people, very friendly people, smiling people in my country. So this all people, all the Indonesians told me that they really believe that Russia is a friendly country for Indonesia. And so, well, I believe so. What my embassy should do just to promote this understanding here in Indonesia.
Yes, please.